Hello, my name is Ethan Keaton, and I am from East Limestone High School. I am part of the Limestone County 4-H Club. This year for my project, I decided to do the What Would You Build, which was a sofa table. I have now made it to the competitive level for state, and I've decided for my community service project to do a video on power tool safety. Let's get started. The first thing that you're going to need is safety goggles. Safety is number one priority. These are some of the tools that I used on my project. I used a palm sander, a router, a cordless drill, and a miter saw. Whenever you are using power tools, you always need to check your cords. Make sure that they're all good and up to spec. If you have a cord that is frayed, for example, I have one here. If it has the wires on the inside showing, do not use it. Make sure that the cord is nice and new and up to spec. For my first power tool, I have the palm sander. The palm sander is a power tool used to smoothen up the surface of a piece of wood. The palm sander, to be safe with it, be sure that you have a firm grip on it. Turn it on and keep your fingers away from the power button. And whenever you put your sandpaper in, make sure that it is locked in tight and be sure that you have the right sandpaper. My second power tool that I have is a router. A router is used to make decorative edges on the side of a piece of wood. For example, on the top board of my sofa table, I decided to route my edge to give it a nice classy look. A router can be very dangerous. Whenever using a router, be sure that you have a firm grip on it, because if you don't have a firm grip, you can slip and it can also cut a finger off, because on the bottom it has this little spinning router blade. This is a cordless drill. It doesn't have a cord, but it can also be dangerous. Whenever using a power drill, be sure that your bit is locked in tight. Be sure that your cord's good. If you have a cordless drill, be sure that your battery is charged. Get all of your drill settings set up before you start. Whenever you start drilling, be sure to have a firm grip in at least 2 places and make sure that your drill is in the correct direction. Be sure to drill straight down, not crooked, not sideways, but be straight and be perfect. This is a miter saw. A miter saw is one of the most dangerous power tools probably. A miter saw is a blade to cut wood, and it has this blade right here that spins at a very fast speed, and it has a lot of teeth on it. Be sure whenever you're cutting to keep your hands away from the blade. Be sure that your wood is pushed up tight into the guards. Make sure that it doesn't move around. Whenever you're using a miter saw, start it, let it get up to full speed before you start cutting. Once it has reached full speed, go ahead and cut your wood. Take your finger off the power source to let the blade stop spinning, then you can lift your saw back up. Once again, my name is Ethan Keaton, and this is my power tool safety video. Thank you. Have a great day.